monitoring and reporting is very important. After all, a portfolio is hypothetical. It's just a ordered list of stuff you want to do with the intention to create certain results. So measuring whether the results actually come to life is what you do. So a strategy finds its life into execution. So I would recommend to keep it lean and keep it mean and report on 3 dimensions. 1, process execution, output delivery, and outcome realization. And of course you will understand that the more important of that is the outcome. So I would say put at least 2 metrics at least on outcome, put maximum 2 metrics on output, and 1, maybe 2 on process execution. Because yes, it's the process that creates the output, it's the output that creates the outcomes, but the outcomes are key. So reporting and monitoring is crucial to validate and show whether the portfolio makes sense. Put some metrics there so you can track it, you can see and you can measure the value of being delivered, but focus on the outcomes first, then on the outputs, and also a little bit on the process.